Working principle of drag cap tachometer. So, okay, whose speed is to be measured, that is input shaft is connecting, the shaft is rotating, the magnetic field is also rotating. So the magnetic field develops a magnetic flux. The rotation of the magnetic field is also rotating. So the rotating field will connecting to the steel wire. So it produces a electric current. The current will be developed in a aluminum cup. So eddy current will be produced in aluminum cup. So when varying the magnetic field, the eddy current will always opposes the magnetic field. So because of this, the cup is also rotation in the same direction. So always eddy current is one of the properties, always is opposes the magnetic field, means it will always, it will not attract the magnetic field. So because of this reason, the aluminum cup is also rotating in the same direction. So the rotation of a cup is having some in one direction, it develops a torque. So the spring is attached to the shaft, the spring is having a torque. Okay, the spring torque is also moving in the same direction. The spring will be twisted, some torque will be developed, as you know. So it will give a reading when the spring is attached to the pointer. The spring has torque T, so the direction of the pointer directly gives the speed of the rotation shaft. Okay, so the pointer shows the reading in RPM, which indicates it's directly proportional to the value of the speed of the rotation of the shaft. Okay, so by using the tachometer, we are measuring the speeds up to 12,000 RPM, revolution per minute, with accuracy of plus or minus 2%. Okay, so the main advantages of this drag cap tachometer is less maintenance, so no frictional losses, so it will give the accurate value. The applications of the drag cap tachometer is to measure the speed of any machines, drilling machines, lathe machines, and speed of the motors, engines, and whenever we are measuring the rotational object speeds, we are using. And what is the main limitation for this tachometer? For getting the correct value, always the spring will be replaced periodically. So to get a correct value of reading, revolution per minute value, so always you have to periodically replace the spring. Okay, so this is the one of the most commonly used tachometer to measure the angular speeds of a rotational objects. Okay, so the applications are, you are using in any speedometers, automobile machines, and any rotational objects, automobiles, two-wheelers, speed of the drilling machines. So any speed of any rotational objects you are using. Okay, thank you.